In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Zoom app on your Mac computer. So the first step is to open a browser on your phone. This can be Safari, this can be Chrome. I have Chrome open, and then in the search bar, you just want to type download Zoom app. Hit enter, and then you want to scroll down a little bit until you find the official zoom.us link that says download center. Click on that one, and then that will take you to the download center, and then you just want to click on the blue download button. And then that will begin the download of the Zoom application for your Mac computer. And the download has finished, so I can go ahead and double click on that. It's going to go ahead and open up, and you can go ahead and install Zoom from here. So that is how you download the Zoom app on your Mac computer. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.